Hello, this is Quantitative Reasoning, and this is for Basic 4, and this is Exercise 1A. We have 4,600, 9,200, 13,800, and 18,400. So, if you add 4,600 to this, which is the basic, you will get 9,200. If you add another 4,600 to this, it will lead you to 13,800. If you add 4,200, it will lead you to 18,400. Or better still, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4. If you multiply 1 by 4,000, it will give you this. Multiply 2 by 4,600, it will give you this. Multiply 3 by 4,600, it will give you this. Multiply 4 by 4,600, it will definitely give you this. So that is the operation that involve around this particular exercise. Now let us dive into the operation specifically. So we have 1,600 here. Since we know that if you multiply 2 by the first operation, it will give us the second. So let us divide by 2. So if we divide this by 2, so this gives us 800. Now if we multiply this by 4, or we add 800 to 2,400, so this gives us 3,200. So the basic here is 1,000 followed by 2,000. So this would be plus 1,000, that is 3,000. If you add another 1,000, this will give us 4,000. So let us move to the fifth one. So the basic here is 3,000. If you divide it by 2, that will give us 1,500. So if you add 1,500 to 4,500, this will give you 6,000. So we have 3,000 here, which is our basic. Add 3,000 to this, so this will give us 6,000. Add another 3,000 to this, this will give us 9,000. So if you add another 3,000 to this, definitely it will give you 12,000. Now let's go to the fifth one. So we have 1,800. That is 3,600. That means 1,800 plus 1,800. It gives us 3,600. So let us add another 1,800 to 3,600. It will now give us 5,400. Add another 1,800 to 5,400. So that will give us 7,200. So to the next one, the basic here is 6,000. So this is 8,000. So the difference between these two is 2,000. So subtract 2,000 from 6,000. This will give us 4,000. Subtract another 2,000 from this 4,000. Definitely it will give us 2,000. So this is 1,700 followed by 3,400. So if you add another 1,700 to this, so that gives us 5,100. If you add another 1,700 to this, that gives us 6,800. So here we are given 1,200. So if we divide 1,200 by 2, so this gives us 600. Add 600 to 1,200. So this gives us 1,800. So in a nutshell, what we have in this operation is simple addition. Take this one as your basics, add whatever you are given here to it will give you the second one. Add whatever you are given for the first to the second, it will give you the third. Add what you have in the first to the third, it will give you the fourth. Or go by the way of multiplication. The first one multiply by 2, it will give you the second. The first one multiply by 3, it will give you the third. The first one multiply by 4, and it will definitely give you the fourth. So thank you very much. See you next time. Remain blessed.